It's an ugly business outlook survey from the National Association for Business Economics, taken during the shutdown. Hopefully it was influenced by the shutdown, which is hopefully over. Here's some of the data for the current outlook, the current assessment of the economy. Sales at a net rising index of 29%. That's down 26, which is the fourth largest decline in about the 40-year history of the survey, the lowest level since the third quarter of 17. Profits just at 3 net rising. That's also down 26, lowest since the fourth quarter of 16. Employment holding up at 25 plus 2. Capital spending, though, down 13, the lowest since the second quarter of 17. You did get a surge in 18. Plans for CapEx the next 3 months have fallen below the level where they were before the tax cuts were enacted. Fully 84% of firms say the tax cuts have had no effect on hiring or spending plans. It is higher, though, for those who are goods-producing companies. Some good news in the survey, 77% say tariffs have not affected hiring or spending plans. Prices were under control, and firms continue to have trouble finding skilled workers. And 64% of respondents say see growth between 2.1 and 3%. That's pretty good. It's down a little bit, and about a third see it below 2%. This year. This is one of the first business surveys we've seen since the shutdown. We'll see if it is confirmed by other surveys. And once the government opens, I guess that's today, and if it remains open, perhaps we get a rebound in the outlook. That's my hope.
Some of those numbers, I mean, I always try to look at the positive, but some of those numbers seem you'd be viscerally affected by all what we heard about the government slowdown. But where the rubber meets the road is employment.
Yeah,
was up.
Well, that's one place it meets the road. I mean, it also meets the road in capital spending.
They don't know. It could change on a dime whether they do end up spending if the demand was there.
Right. I mean, but
that's more of a sort of a feeling. I don't feel good about things. I may not spend.
Yeah. Plus, by the way, you also had.
Why'd employment go up? Why'd employment go up?
Because people are.
If you still need people, you need people.
I'm getting the strong rep.
Don't listen to
Don't just ignore it? Yeah. Okay, fine. The story is that I think people are afraid about not finding the workers they need. You even hear stories about hoarding, and yet they seem like there's no urgency right now to do capital spending. And I also think, by the way, it's not just the shutdown, but this is post all that tumult we had in markets in December. So maybe that stabilizes.
And tariffs,
shutdown.
Ongoing China trade.
Yeah.
Tariffs, exactly. So there's enough issues.
We don't want to talk ourselves into anything.
Well, I think you start piling stuff up. Tariffs, shutdown.
No. Don't worry about it.